going to get his new toy.
I know, I'm really excited. We're probably 10 minutes away now. We're just coming along up this little hill. It's March 15th, and we were just kind of going back and forth like, oh, is this just going to be too early? And will there be a bunch of snow? And it's too cold and muddy. And we talked to this guy, Mike, up here, and he kept saying, no, it'll be fine. That's a great time to come and do it. And he's right. It is just perfect here. It's kind of hard to believe because it's so green during the summer. I don't know if they have a lot of rain that comes through right now, just as dry as can be. And so it'll be perfect for getting that out of there. What do you think, Sue?
Pretty exciting.
Yeah. We're kind of going through the little downtown area. And that was it. I think if and when there's their farm right there.
There's the barn, right?
Yeah, that's it. I don't know how to back in here, but we'll get it figured out. Oh, looks like he's up there already.
There's the barn. Where the horses are. Oh, there's some of their horses. Oops. Oh, there's some of their horses in the barn. And the
look,
grandparents'
turkeys.
house is back there. Oh,
Turkeys coming
and
through.
Turkeys.
Those might be wild, eh? I don't know. Gobble, 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 gobble. Not working, Sue. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Okay, there it is.
All right, we're testing Brett's backing skills with the trailer. So far, so good. Well, have to take another crack at it, I guess. But much better than I could do, that's for sure. I think he's got a little bit of pressure on him because Mike could do it in one fell swoop. No problem, I'm sure. Probably backs things all the time. So Mike's up there helping direct him a little bit. Brett's doing great. Plan is to just drive Hank right onto the trailer, hopefully. Hopefully he doesn't get stuck here. Spinning the wheels a little bit there. Going right through all the manure. Oh, spinning. I'm not going to get too close and have it all splattered up on me. There we go. We're spinning through the manure. That looks pretty straight there. So, here's Hank. Going to be coming with us. Been living right there for, oh, I don't know, 30 years probably. Hasn't really moved. But Hank's going to get to move now. Hank, you're coming out today. What do you think?
Hey, this is so exciting. So, we'll see. Both the tires stayed up for a little while, so it'll just be long enough to get it on the trailer. And it's been a little while. So this is the third year that I've looked at it. Second time you've seen it.
Right?
I think it's going to be great. It's going to be really fun. Let's see what happens.
So he's going to go back behind
Okay, here goes.
and push a little bit.
Here goes. Ready?
Brett's pushing from behind and Mike is driving. There we go. Wow. There we
You're
go.
looking real good. Let's see. Yeah, you're looking really good. I don't know if I can get over this lip at this point, but I'll try. Now, did you have brakes coming down? Okay, you just went for it. I was like, oh.
No, I felt good about the brakes.
Okay.
I wanted to get it on the trailer.
Yeah, that's great. That just saved me a lot of pushing, I think. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
I don't know what's gonna happen here.
There you go.
Okay. Okay, you're probably gonna go 8 inches, okay, or maybe a foot.
Okay.
Big car coming at me. Another 4 inches.
Okay.
A little bit more. That's it. Okay.
Woohoo! There it is.
That's good. That's on there.
I think that's
I
it.
think you're in. Wow.
Sweet.
That wasn't too hard.
No. It went on just kind of the way I thought it would.
That's great.
There it is. Ready to make its move to California. Few things to do to it.
Yeah, look, can you hear the air coming out over here?
Mike probably thinks we're crazy taking all these pictures.
Woohoo!
Think he's gonna stop and wait for me? Mud and manure.
And
Wait, you're
manure.
supposed to turn left, I think there.
I did.
No, there.
So I just wanted to say, like, we left just now, and there's a little bit of kind of fear or consternation, like, oh, I hope I can get this running. And you know, I look at it, there's a lot to do everywhere. I looked, there was stuff to be done, but it worked out.
You got the jukebox going.
Yeah,
Pulled that all
I'm
apart.
sure I can. It's just going to take a while.
Yeah.
That's kind of what I want. Something that takes a couple of years, you know.
I was gonna say next 10 years.
I hope it's not 10. You're going to hope it's not 10. That's good. Yeah, thanks. Okay, not even on budget.
Sure helps to get the parking brake off. Yeah, that helps.
Ready?
Turn to the back a little bit. Turn your wheel left.
All right, here goes. Just watching with the trailer come. Okay, now stop. Great. Woohoo!
I did it.
You did it.
I did it. Good job, Sue. You did all the hard work.
First she puts the parking brake on when we're trying to push it off, and now she takes all the credit.
Well, this garage will be the home for this little truck as we fix it up, maybe for the next 40 years. I want to thank the family who love this truck so much for letting me buy her, and for Mike's help in getting it rolling and onto the trailer. He is a really great guy. I know not everyone gets to do this, find a nearly 100-year-old truck with all its character and history, and then fix it up to make a daily driver. My hope is to chronicle the entire process. Stay tuned for more videos.